Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 14th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across pharma, banking and financials, auto, metals and mining, IT and technology, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in pharma. Dr. Reddy's dropped sharply -2.14% to 1,234.50 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dr. Reddy's hits 52-week high despite USFDA observations, biologics pipeline and pharma rally fuel investor optimism. India Infoline. After today's weakness, the $1,197.46 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Dr. Reddy's. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to banking and financials. ICICI Bank is up +2.09%, trading at 1,409.50 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by India's inflation moved back above the RBI's 4% target, FTSE. Fee income growth from digital transactions and credit card spends is compounding well above the loan book growth rate. The iMobile app engagement data is a leading indicator of cross-sell success. Any commentary on the unsecured loan book quality would be closely watched as consumer leverage in India builds. Moving to auto. Tata Motors is up +1.95%, trading at 337.95 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 preview, markets brace for inflation data, Q2 earnings, investing.com. Jaguar Land Rover order bank and production volumes are the earnings swing factor. Range Rover and Defender remain sold out in key markets, which is a strong near-term pricing signal. JLR balance sheet deleveraging is ahead of schedule. Watch for any semiconductor supply update that could unlock further production. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel climbed +1.75% to 191.19 Indian rupees. This comes as Y is BHP, ASX BHP, setting the pace for metal and mining stocks. Calkine Media, adding pressure to energy markets. The near-term technical picture for Tata Steel looks constructive. Watch the $198.84 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to IT and technology. Infosys is up +1.64%, trading at 1,068 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that after the latest RE stock rally, investors face a reality check. Morningstar. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.62, which matters for import and export heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.